Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to recover your missing password on iOS 18. If you recently updated to iOS 18, you might notice the password section in your settings is gone. That's because Apple has moved password management to an app. To get it, open the App Store and search for passwords option like this. Okay, you'll see an app made by Apple called Passwords. Make sure it's the right one. Download it, it will appear on your phone. Once it installed, open the app like this and tap continue. All your password and passcodes will be there. Okay, ready to manage. That's it, your passwords are now in the Passwords app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.